Hi, my name is David, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to print complex designs of any color using Ghost White toner and the laser dark media. Many of you guys are probably familiar with print and cut applications like heat transfer vinyl or flex foils. You will have your design on the screen, you will print it on a cut plotter or a cutting machine, then you will transfer it and weed it out. So there is many designs that are far too complex for the weeding. Got to show you a little example here. This is what I would call a very complex design with many fine details in the design, and we have many tough spots to weed out, and of course it's possible, but it would take you a very long time to weed it out, and it would actually be a real pain. Same with this design here. It's a multicolor design, also accomplishing some really small features, some really tiny features. And in this video we are going to actually produce these two items using the Ghost White toner cartridge inside our printer. I just pop it in. So open your HP laser printer, take out the black toner cartridge and insert the white. Cool. And we're going to use the laser dark A foil, which is the media we're going to print on, and the laser dark B paper, which is our transfer sheet. We have many videos on the use of these on these papers and how to detailedly, print your designs, create your designs. Check those videos out on our channel below. So I'm going to insert the A foil right now, and I have my two designs on screen here, and I'm going to quickly print them, and then I'm heading to the transfer press and transferring these designs. For more details on the driver settings, please also check our videos on that. All right, first one. Alright, cool. While the printer is printing our designs, I'm going over to my heat press, which is preheated to 160 degrees. I'm going to pull it down quickly to make sure that my lower plate is hot. This is a crucial step for the transfer between the A and the B sheet. Compared to all cut applications, where after the transfer you would have to weed out your complex design, with the A foil and laser dark B paper, there is no more cutting and weeding because this is automatically done for you on the heat press. So what happens is, during the pressing, the glue, the adhesive on the B sheet, marries with the print on the A sheet. That means in the end you will only transfer the areas where you have had print before. And this is possible in plain white using the Ghost White toner cartridge, and in multiple colors using Ghost White toner as well, and of course in full color photographic designs using a two-step process. I've made few videos on two-step process on our channel down below, so please check for those videos as well. Cool. Now our designs are printed. As you can see, we have the single color white design and the multicolor white design ready. Both are printed in mirror image mode. So this is the side that will be visible on the t-shirt, and this is the side we're going to transfer on. So I quickly head to my heat press, open the press. The lower plate is warm. I'm going to place my design on the press. I'm going to cover it with the B paper facing yellow lines up so that I have the adhesive side facing down towards the print. Cover it with some copy paper, 5 to 8 sheets. This helps to better distribute the heat and the pressure. Close my heat press at a medium pressure and press for 2 minutes. Okay, once the time is up on our heat press, I open the heat press, I take away the copy paper, and I give it a quick wipe with a cloth. This helps the heat to reside from the paper evenly. Then I put my thumb down on the top and I smoothly and constantly peel the paper. The peel with the laser dark A foil and B paper is very smooth and easy peel. You don't have to pull hard, but make sure you pull constantly, and especially when you come to the end of your design, make sure that you slow down a little bit. Otherwise, you're likely to take off some edges from your design. Okay, almost at the end. Slowing down, perfect. Now we've got a perfect transfer, and as you can see, the glue from the A foil, from the B paper, has been picked up by the A foil. Okay, I'm going to leave that on the side for a moment and put the second print sheet on the heat press. I'm going to cover it with another B paper, of course, same way as I just did. Adhesive side facing down and the side with the yellow lines, which is the back side, facing up to me. Okay, cover it again with 5 to 8 sheets of copy paper, put the heat press down and press for another 2 minutes. Once the time is up again, we open the heat press, same process for every transfer. Take the copy paper away, give it a quick wipe with a cloth, and then put your thumb down at the top corner and smooth and constantly peel A foil and B paper. While peeling, make sure that you don't pull too hard and make sure that the A foil rests on the lower plate of your heat press. The temperature difference between pressing and peeling should not be too big, otherwise you would rip off your design and you have a failed transfer, okay? Slow down at the edges of your design to make sure that you don't take off some of the edges. All right, I'm almost done here, getting a nice and clean peel. Perfect. Right, again, for the camera, as you can see, all the glue, all the adhesive from the B sheet has been taken on by the A sheet, and it also added a kind of yellowish white backing to the print on the A sheet. All right, cool. I'm going to leave that to rest on the side as well and start transferring these to our cotton bags. Cotton shoppers are very convenient. Actually, this time we'll all try to save on plastic, so better go for a nice and good looking cotton shopper instead of going for plastic bags. I'm a real advocate for cotton shoppers. Okay, I'm trimming the edge because sometimes there is an indentation line from the B paper which is slightly smaller than the A foil, and I don't want that line to come over to my garment, so I'm trimming the edge of the A foil. Once I've done with this, I grab a new cotton bag. This is a 100% cotton bag. It is still a bit squished, so I'm giving it a quick pre-press, also to take away some moisture. So if you close your press, watch closely. If you can see some steam going up, then you can see the moisture going out of your garment. This is recommended for all kinds of cotton garments, not only to have the moisture gone out, but also to have a really flat lay garment. Placing the cotton bag on the heat press again. Going to take my cutout design, and that was all the cutting I will be doing in this video. So all the vinyl cutters out there, don't be afraid, you don't have to cut this out. You just place your design. It's very convenient. You can see the design because it's a transparent media. Then you cover it with some silicone sheet just for the protection of your heat press, and you pull down the press for 30 seconds at the same temperature, 160 degrees, to transfer the design to the cotton bag. Once those 30 seconds are over, we open the heat press, we take away the silicone sheet, and we take our garment. Please mind, this can't be peeled right now. This has to leave to rest for cooling while we do the other bag, because the second peel with the laser dark is always a cold peel. Okay, same procedure for the second bag. I'm putting the bag on my heat press, giving it a quick pre-press to flatten it out nicely. Just a few seconds, having the steam going up. Okay, fantastic. Now the bag is on my workspace. I cut out the design quickly, roughly around it, so really just the edge, to make sure that there is no excess glue which comes over to your bag. Now you place the design, again very convenient, as you can really see where it is. If you like to angle it a little, you can do that. I want to have it straight today. Cover it with silicone paper and press again for 30 seconds. Alright, After time's up, again, we open the heat press, take away the silicone sheet, and we take the bag and leave it on the side for cooling. All right, once my designs are completely cold, once the bags are completely cold, we can start the peeling process. So I lay them out on a flat and even workspace because that's the most easiest way to peel. And now this scene is really for everybody who has ever weeded such a design using vinyl or any other print and cut application. So you just roll over the edge of the A-foil, and then you constantly and smoothly, with some even pressure applied with your hands, you roll over the design. And as you can already see, it really peels nicely, and there is no more cutting or weeding necessary as the design is already perfectly on the bag. Same with this one, it's completely cold. I roll over the edge, I apply some smooth pressure, and I roll smoothly and quickly over the design. So, and this process is very stable. It will work times after times after times with no problems. As you can see on my A sheets, the print has come off perfectly and is now constantly attached to my bags, right? So you can see probably in the camera that the design still is a little bit shiny, okay? So same here, you will see it a little bit better. There is a glossy finish inside the design. We're going to take that away by a quick repressing with a silicone sheet. This not only helps to get a really nice matte finish, but it also helps to ensure the washability of the garment. Especially when you're making cotton t-shirts, it's really important to have a durable and washable result. So therefore we recommend with every cotton t-shirt to give it a quick repress between 15 and 25 seconds using a silicone sheet on the heat press. I'll do that right now, and then we have the bags finished. All right, silicone sheet, and give it a quick repressing. So as you could see in this video, the laser dark media is much more easy to use when it comes to complex design. With the Ghost White toner, you can use this especially, of course, for all kinds of dark garment personalization. But not only dark garment, you can use the same media and the same process printing onto light garments using the Ghost White toner or the Ghost CMYK cartridges for full color designs. So this is really easy. The repressing is done, so we take that bag off, and as you can see now, the finish is really matte and nice. I'm going to do the same step for the other bag before we wrap up this video. Just another 10 to 15 seconds repressing. This is an important step just to make sure that the garment lasts you really long. Okay, we're done here. Right, the feel of the cotton is really, really nice and soft, even if you have big spots of print, big spots of transfer. For more details on the video and a description of all the materials that I've been used, please check the video description down below. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and check out our channel for more videos to make sure to get the most of your Ghost White toner and your laser dark media. Thanks for watching, see you next time.